Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac. This week, I'm going to show you how to make a classic Italian sauce made famous by Marcella Hazan. Tomato sauce with onion and butter. If you've never tried this recipe, boy, you're in for a real treat. It's absolutely amazing. So let me quickly walk you through it. Begin with a little prep work, nothing too difficult here. Round up 1 medium sweet onion. Cut it in half vertically from bottom to top. Peel it and trim off the root section and any peel that happens to be on the top. When you cut off the root section, try to make the cut as close as possible to the root. This should aid in keeping that half of an onion whole in the sauce making process. That way it'll cut down on the chances of you having to fish out individual onion pieces from the sauce. Next up to bat, the tomatoes. 1 28-ounce can, that's 794 grams, of peeled plum tomatoes. If you happen to have San Marzanos, that's the best route to go. And you know what? Because this is homemade, you could use 1 pound of fresh tomatoes. Make it how you like it. Remove all of the peeled tomatoes and put them on the cutting board. Take the remaining sauce and dump it into the saucepan. Quickly and carefully dice the tomatoes into small pieces. Try to keep all of the liquid of the tomatoes on the cutting board. You'll want to try to put that into the saucepan as well. That takes care of the prep work. Add all of the tomatoes and their juice to the saucepan. Place the saucepan on a burner over medium heat. Round up the sweet onion and place it in the sauce. Place it cut side down in the tomatoes and give it a quick shimmy to try to cover it up with as much of that tomato sauce as possible. To this, you'll add 5 tablespoons or 70 grams of unsalted butter. And last but not least, sprinkle on a dash of salt. Bring the sauce to a light simmer, cook uncovered, give it a periodic stir, and reduce down for 1 hour or until the sauce is as thick as you like. This is what it should look like about 15 minutes into the sauce making process. Give it a quick stir, use a spatula or spoon to smash those tomatoes into the sauce. You'll also want to move the onions around and occasionally flip them over. So check it out. After 30 minutes, the tomato sauce, it's reduced nicely. The tomatoes are really starting to break up and the onions are starting to get tender and release their flavor into the liquid. Once the sauce is nearly done, you'll want to start cooking your pasta of choice. Your favorite pasta will do, but I'm going to have it with gnocchi. To cook 1 pound or 454 grams of gnocchi, bring 1 large pot of water to a boil, add salt, and drop in the gnocchi. Give these guys a quick stir, and they cook rather fast, 3 to 4 minutes. Once they start floating to the top, you're done. Drain them, and they're ready to go into the sauce. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. The sauce is done. It's reduced down for a little over an hour. Remove the onion and put it to the side. You're not going to want to throw it away. It's absolutely delicious. You can use it for another dish or throw it onto a sandwich. And get a load of the sauce. Look at that, would you? It's thick, it's rich, it's amazing what just 4 simple ingredients can create. Wait until you taste it. It's going to knock your socks off. Give it a quick taste to see if you need to adjust the level of salt. Now this tomato, onion, and butter sauce is ready to be added to the gnocchi, or your favorite pasta. I like to add a small amount of the tomato sauce to a pan over low heat. Round up the gnocchi or pasta and drop it in. Drizzle a few more spoonfuls of the tomato, onion, and butter sauce on top. Give it a quick mix, and then you're ready to enjoy. And that's it. That's all there is to it. That's how you make a tomato sauce with onion and butter. It's an amazingly simple sauce to make, but unbelievably packed with flavor. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, why not share it with your friends? They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and until next Saturday, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.